In front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for the pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it and confirm your choice in the second pop-up by hitting remove. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it, you can always pinch your device's display, hit widgets between icons and layout, scroll down and look for Google app, then hold search bar below it. It should be over here somewhere. Here. Now hold it, drag it, place it wherever you want to, and let go. Lastly, hit done at the top right corner or tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!